AI at the end of the day is a tool for a marketer, and I think that is the most important shift that we need to think about. It is not an amorphous thing that we do not understand. We may not understand pieces of it, but we do understand that a marketer still needs to have a perspective. We know the customer, we understand the journey, and we understand the value that we're giving, and AI is in service of delivering those great experiences. And it's changed the nature of the conversations that we're having. It's not a discussion of can we do this, where we have bottlenecks in content or bottlenecks in delivery. It's more should we or how should we do it? And AI is a tool that's being used to really deliver those experiences at scale. One of the first benefits that we saw was how AI allowed us to move more quickly as we saw things happening in the market. Our ability to respond to what we were seeing from a customer was the first benefit. And the challenge for marketers was how are we going to use that newfound capability to be more contextual in the marketing that we were delivering. So if we're suddenly talking about hours or even minutes and how we can deliver an experience based on something that we're seeing from a customer, how does marketing change? No longer can you use a brief-driven, waterfall, timely process. You have to be agile, you have to understand what's happening to your customer, and then you have to be ready with playbooks to respond and leverage AI technologies to deliver great experiences. In the case of AI, governance is the thing that allows us to go faster. I run a marketing organization that delivers hundreds of thousands of experiences every single day. And when we give that power to the marketers at the edge, we see them working even more quickly. But one of the key pieces is we want to make sure that we're staying on brand and we're staying on design and we're speaking to the customer in a consistent way. It has actually brought us closer to our teams within our studio who have a perspective on how we want to show up from a customer perspective and a design perspective. They work really closely with our media organizations and our email organizations to make sure those experiences are consistent when we're delivering them at scale globally. Adobe Journey Optimizer has allowed us to break apart the email journey into really specific, culturalized and customized experiences. And one of the biggest benefits that we've seen is empowering our country-level lifecycle marketers, which we call it at Adobe, to deliver great experiences to their customers. And when you apply a local contextual flavor from a marketer that understands their country and their segment, we've seen 2 and 3 times increases in open rates and engagement in the assets, which makes sense. The consistent theme that we've seen in mature organizations is a refocus on the customer. When we're not gated by processes within a marketing organization of getting more content or finding new ways to create journeys, when we can do those as much as we want, we're having more conversations on are they the right journeys and are they the right experiences and do the journeys actually make sense? Mature organizations that have been employing AI to deliver great marketing are changing the way they think about it and refocusing on the customer. Do I understand my customer? Do I know what they need? Am I delivering value? And that is driving the evolution, the adoption of AI across the organization.